What's going on, guys? It's been a while since I've done an update, about 5 months, and I've made a lot of progress since then. I've just been busy with school and work and some other stuff, so I haven't been able to really update you guys, but here is what my progress has looked like so far. So yeah, I got the steering wheel mounted in here. Got the seat in, it's all secured. I got the brake pedal in down here. I got the brake proportioning valve, all the lines done so the brakes work. I got the engine in, I got the chassis connected to the cross member back here. I got the transmission all connected, the whole thing's solid in here. I got the forward facing turbo headers. I've got the rear tow bar finished. Got the tires on all 4 corners. So yeah, we're getting really close to being done with this thing. Only thing really left to do is some wiring. I gotta hook up the coolant lines. Gotta make a shifter. Hook up the gas pedal and hook up a gas tank, and then we'll take it for its maiden voyage. Just to get a little more close up on what's going on. I've got the steering mounted over here, just on a piece of plate. And then that's up in there, and then I need to finish welding that up. Probably end up moving it over an inch just to line it up with the seats, which I got these seats out of a buddy's GTR. He put new seats in his GTR and he didn't need these anymore, so he's gonna try and sell them, but couldn't sell them, so he gave them to me. Took all the adjustment stuff on there since, I mean, I'm designing this car to fit me, so I don't need any adjustments to go forward and backwards, and all that's in that box over there, which is a heavy box. Then I got the motor mounts. As you can see over here, I just got 1 3/4 DOM tubing and then the standard bushings for that, and then welded up the mount for it. You can see that I got the brake lines all plumbed up. They come over here to the proportioning valve, which I'm able to change on the fly while I'm driving. And then that all gets hooked up to this Willwood dual master cylinder brake assembly over here. And then you can see those come over to these stainless steel brake lines, which I need to make a mount to hold this right about there. Today I'm going to be making the mount for the radiator. You can see I got the truck accessories instead of the LS4 accessories, because I didn't actually have those to begin with. And also, the LS4 water pump would have ran into this frame rail right here, so I'm just going to use the truck accessories because they're cheaper and easier to find. And then I'll be putting the alternator up here with the adjustment to tension the belt. Then I'll be running all the coolant lines down the frame rail and up to the radiator. You can see I got the oil pan I made on down there, and then I also got the starter hooked up. And I've got it all on the ground over here. Got these are just some the wheels off the Cadillac, just to test with. And I'll be putting bigger, wider wheels with stickier tires on them. Then for the coolant lines, they'll come up here, and then I've got these stainless steel corrugated tubing, bendable tubing to connect to the radiator up here and back there as well. Thanks for watching the video. If you guys liked the video, like it, and subscribe if you want to see more of these progress and update videos. Hopefully I have some more coming out since I don't have to worry about school anymore and all those assignments. Finally done with that, so I'll have more time to make some videos like this. Definitely is encouraging seeing that you guys like seeing what I'm doing and want to keep up with what I'm doing. I like making these videos because I like you guys' feedback, and I like showing you guys what I'm building and like document what I'm building. Definitely encouraging, so thanks for watching. You guys have a good one.